Hi y'all. This is what happened to me Friday night
Right
as
here.
I was
Oh
coming back
my
from my
God.
daughter's house. I just happened to be passing by an open field when I looked over and happened to see a big full moon sized light with 5 to 6 red light,
Something else.
maybe from helicopters, that's what I'm thinking, flying in a semicircle around this.
Oh my God, they're turning off their lights.
Coming
What the
towards
hell
me,
is this?
and they had
They're
to
not
be like
helicopters.
about 15 feet off the ground, if even that. They looked like they were just like parallel from me, maybe about 60 feet out. And I got to a spot that I could record good from, stopped in the middle of the road, pulled out my phone and started recording them. And you could tell when they must have first saw me, because the bottom helicopter, is what I'm going to call it, helicopter, turned off its light. And then they all started turning off their lights. Now I was really scared because that bottom helicopter was probably not even 10 feet off the ground. And I thought, is it coming at me? I didn't know. So I did see a car up ahead coming towards me on this road, so I wasn't too worried that they would do anything with another witness. By the time the car passed me, they were just flying behind me. So I turned off the camera, pulled down the road into a nursery driveway, and started filming them as they were passing by this water tower. And they were lower than the water tower, as you can see a little bit, the water tower in the video when they're passing behind it. I then filmed it as much as I possibly could until I felt like I had enough and had to get out of there. As you can hear, notice the sound that it was making. We heard this sound one time go over our house one night when it left about maybe 50 flashing lights in the sky in just this one little section. And those lights were bursting off and on for about 1 minute and 11 seconds. And I'm thinking maybe they were these helicopter things, made the same noise. I don't know. But I know when they did turn off their lights, you couldn't see them, like, at all. It's like they just disappeared. Here I went and tried to lighten up the video so you could kind of see the water tower.